Hi guys, good morning. It's 8 a.m. on the 26th of July 2026. I shouldn't be awake. I'm fucking sleepy. I came back from Noida last night about 1:30. Slept about 2 something. I shouldn't be awake. And the night before I slept for 2.5 hours. I shouldn't be awake. But I've been wanting to attend the drum circle for months and I had almost committed to this friend that I'll try to make it. So रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए. So I'm heading to drum circle. Good morning guys. I came back at about 1:35 last night. Then I slept about 2:30 and the night before I slept only 2.5 hours. I'm fucking sleepy. But I'm heading to Mehrauli Archaeological Park because I had committed to a friend that I will come, okay, and any commitment that I make to anyone or is a commitment I make to myself, right? And there was a professor I remember always. He was about in his 60s then when I was doing a course like in my early 20s, and he used to quote this shlok from or whatever line from Ramayana, right? Whenever he would talk about integrity. And he used to say, रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए. So रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आए प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए. I'm heading to Mehrauli Archaeological Park. It's called Drum Circle, and I'm gonna dance, okay, because that's what I do when music plays. When music plays, I'm a dancer. This is India, guys. Monkey is the fucking metro city. There it's running. This typical India, guys. Family of 4 on a fucking scooter. This is Mehrauli Archaeological Park, guys. It's the first time I've come here. I never knew there was a park right next to Qutub Minar. It's pretty green and nice. There's supposed to be a drum circle here, but I can't hear them anywhere right now. But I'll find them. But there's a park here right next to Qutub Minar. It's called Mehrauli Archaeological Park. That's the drum circle guys prepping. It is supposed to start at 8, but because somebody didn't, in the park you can't play everywhere. So they're setting it up now. I'm in good time, so the drums will start playing in a bit. If my stories don't make you smile or laugh or think, those are the three purposes I have, right? To make you think, to make you laugh, or make you smile at least, right? Then I've failed, right? But I'm not fucking failing, right? I'm not fucking failing. Everything that I post here or across the fucking internet is intended to make people either outwardly happy, which is fleeting happiness, or make you, give you inner happiness, which is being able to, you know, think about happiness and work on it. Those are the two purposes I have in life, alright? Those are the two purposes I have in life. You know, some of the most powerful quotes in life sometimes come from people like us. You know, they're not celebrities, they're people like us. This girl who's gotten famous across the country and across the world for stopping the policeman in Mumbai. Her video, her pictures gone viral across the country and across the world. And in one of the interviews with some random news channel, she said a lot of things about how she did that, why she did that. But one of the things she said, and it stuck with me, she said that your conviction will take over your fear. Your conviction will take over your fear. That's one of the most powerful sentences in English and quotes in English anybody said. The girl's name is Ria Ahir. Okay, you can check her out. She's the one who has gotten famous around the world for that picture which she's standing stopping the policeman which had detained protesters. Your conviction will take over your fear. Ria Ahir. You know, I think as men, we compromise with a lot of things just because we're careless, right? Sometimes. Like, for example, for myself also, I tend to wear socks for like 2-3 days sometimes, and then I smell them. If they're smelling or not. I mean, that's kind of stupid, right? So, what I'm trying to say is you can do this thing with your socks, okay? But as a man, at least don't do it with your underwear.
Doors will open from the left. Please mind the gap.
Thank you so much.
Hey guys, so I cancelled both swimming and the lifting session I had because I'm really sleepy. Last 2 nights I've hardly slept. The night before I slept like 2.5 hours. Last night I slept 4 hours because I went to a drum circle in the morning. So I am very sleepy, so I had no energy to go to either lifting or swimming, so I cancelled both. So I mostly have done walking today. Walking wise I'll hit 20,000 steps, so that's good. So movement wise at least I've walked if nothing else, and dance in the morning at drum circles. So movement wise then I'm fine, but it's just that I had to cancel both swimming and lifting both. So yeah, I'm in the show right now. The 8 PM show is like almost full. There are about 30 something people and it's going pretty well. The thing is I need to write more jokes now because the jokes that I'd been doing I've recorded yesterday, so I will have to write more jokes. Yeah, so I think that's all. I really need to sleep on time today. I mean, next show is also on. I'll laptop and I'll leave. But overall I'm very sleepy, right? And I need to write more jokes professionally. I need to also figure out this whole recording bit because the last 2 times I've gone to recordings that they've been very, very young people, like people in their teenage, people in their early 20s. Like the audience that comes at Goof to Goof is pretty mature, and my jokes kick ass here. But if I prepare my jokes here and record in situations where they're mostly youngsters, it gets kind of fucked up. It happened yesterday. One of the shows didn't go really well. The other show went fine, but not as good as it is going tonight also, you know. So I need to figure that thing out, but fine. I mean, yeah, a lot of things to do professionally, guys. A lot of things. Alright, there's a lot of life to work on. So I'll catch you guys. Hey guys, the day review for 26th of July. July is also about to come to an end. Time flies, man. The day was 7 on 10, largely because of the drum circle. I had been wanting to attend a drum circle for a long time, for months now. And it was happening in different far-flung places in Delhi, so I couldn't go. And last night also came from Noida, slept very late, which is kind of the usual for a Saturday. But I woke up in the morning because it was happening in Mehrauli today. So I went and I really enjoyed myself. It was like an experience I remember. I danced. I played like some sort of a stuff that people, I don't know, वो बजाने वाला कुछ बजाया मैंने. Like somebody had brought it and they gave it to me. So थोड़ी देर वो भी बजाया मैंने. I took videos which I'll be posting here and there. I really enjoyed myself. I danced, mainly I danced. So I really enjoyed the drum circle. That's the reason it was 7 and 10. Otherwise I didn't swim, dance or lift today. I cancelled the lifting session and the swimming session both because I was too tired. Last 2 nights I haven't slept at all. So I've been trying to recover today. I ate a lot of outside food today which I need to recover from tomorrow. So yeah, I'm really tired. Really need to catch up. The day would have been 5 or 6 in case I didn't attend the drum circle today. But thanks to that experience, the day was good. Alright, good night. You take care. Try to be happy. Bye.